next step, having launched our new technology called Refase, which is remote fault sensing, is to install it here at the Power Networks Demonstration Center. And this is a unique platform where we can demonstrate our interoperability and all the operational and capital expenditure cost savings that are permitted by using this system. And we can throw faults, we can show how it protects and improves the protection for hybrid or mixed circuits where you've got underground cables built into overhead lines. And it really gives us a unique opportunity at a moment's notice to show any customer in the world how this system deploys and operates.
Many people talk about the digitization of the energy sector. Here at the Power Networks Demonstration Centre with the University of Strathclyde, we are installing a new device to assist with that digitization and enabling greater information to be available for users in the power sector.
This is going to help any network operator in the world to reduce outage and operating costs, and they can come at a moment's notice to see us working in real time, throwing faults and enabling better differential current protection.
This type of device, along with the many others that we see going through our centre, is truly transforming the potential of our energy sector in the UK to be amongst the most efficient in the world.